Imagine a herb with a flavor so unique, it has been dubbed the little dragon of the culinary world. This is tarragon. With its delicate leaves and distinctive, slightly anise-like flavor, tarragon reigns supreme in French cuisine. It's the secret ingredient that breathes life into dishes, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. From the classic béarnaise sauce to the humble herb butter, tarragon weaves its magic effortlessly. But tarragon is more than just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. The health benefits of tarragon might surprise you, considering its delicate leaves and subtle flavor. This extraordinary herb is known for its remarkable digestive properties. It aids in digestion and can relieve bloating and indigestion. But that's not all. Tarragon also possesses anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body. Looking for a natural antioxidant? Tarragon is rich in antioxidants, helping protect your cells from damage and supporting your overall health. Studies even suggest that tarragon may promote heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels. If you're seeking a calm night's sleep, tarragon is your friend. Its calming effect may promote better sleep quality when used in herbal teas or aromatherapy. What's more, tarragon is packed with vitamins and minerals, like vitamin C and iron, that boost the immune system. It may also help regulate blood sugar levels and is a good source of calcium for strong and healthy bones. And for those mindful of their weight, tarragon adds flavor without extra calories. So, tarragon not only adds a sophisticated flavor to your dishes, but also boosts your health in numerous ways. Now that we've explored the health benefits, let's delve into the culinary world of tarragon. This fragrant herb, with its unique blend of sweet anise and mild vanilla, is a cornerstone of French cuisine, but its versatility extends far beyond that. Imagine a succulent chicken dish, its flavors enhanced by the subtle aromatic notes of tarragon. This is the beauty of tarragon chicken, a classic dish where tarragon truly shines. Then there's the famed béarnaise sauce, a rich, buttery concoction that owes its distinct taste to our star herb. But tarragon isn't just for traditional recipes. Its unique flavor profile can transform a simple salad dressing or elevate a seafood dish to new culinary heights. Consider tarragon-infused vinegar, a simple way to incorporate this herb into your everyday cooking. Experimentation is key. Try pairing tarragon with citrus flavors, or let it shine in a creamy mushroom sauce. With tarragon in your kitchen, you're not just a cook, you're an artist painting flavors on the canvas of cuisine. To conclude, tarragon is an herb that deserves a place in every kitchen. Its health benefits range from aiding digestion to promoting heart health and even helping to regulate blood sugar. But it's not just about wellness. Tarragon is a culinary star, adding depth and elegance to dishes from simple salad dressings to classic French cuisine. If you haven't already, we encourage you to embrace this versatile herb in your cooking. So why not invite this little dragon into your kitchen and experience the magic of tarragon for yourself?